self-explanatory, but having a great product or service and having great customer service. That's going to be the first step on creating great brand ambassadors. So if you think of any product or service that has a lot of ambassadors on social media, Nike, people love the shoes. I'm going to go back to them as a reference, but they love their shoes, so they promote them without Nike having to do anything. But they put a bunch of money into their marketing to get to that point. So they have a really beloved brand. So once you have the product and service all squared away, you have a great product, and you just need to get the word out. Step one, you're cleared with that. So another really easy step is going to be step two. I mean, I say easy, it's going to take a little bit of time. You can actually do this on your own. And this is going to be finding influencers that can promote your product or service. What I mean by an influencer, if you go on social media, and I'll take Gary Vee for instance. He's an influencer in the marketing field. And then if you go into the fashion industry, there's going to be other influencers for each industry. So if I was selling a handbag, a new type of handbag, I would look for influencers in the fashion industry and reach out to them. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a list. You're going to create a list of keywords. Let's start out with like 3 to 10. Start out pretty simple, especially if you're doing this on your own. And this is going to be how many influencers you get is going to be determined on your budget, because the cost for them to promote a product is going to vary. So make a list of 3 to 10 keywords. If I was selling handbags, I would look up handbag. That would be one keyword. Clutch. Fashion might be another one. You want to look at the range of the influencer. How much they charge is going to be based on how many followers they have. So if they have like 1 million followers and they have a lot of engagement on their posts, the cost is going to be kind of expensive for that. So that's something you have to look at your budget, and then look at kind of the takeaway you're going to get from it. Because if they have 1 million followers and they have 10,000 people that like a post, and you're going to get a lot of traction from one of them promoting your product or your service. So that's a perfect example. So look for the influencers, make a list of like 10 of them, and then you want to direct message them. Instagram is going to be an easy way to do it, and you can also do it on Facebook. So same thing, you're going to do a search on Facebook for hashtag or something like that, and you can do that on Instagram. I would recommend, depending on your industry, I would recommend Instagram. If it's fashion, for instance, that's going to be a good one. So go after that. Okay, then step 3 is going to be creating a contest on social media. So you're going to leverage your existing list, your email list, which is one of the best lists that you can create. If you don't have an email list already, I would suggest using a service like MailChimp. You get 2,000 people or 2,000 list people on the list, and then I think you can send 10,000 emails a month for free. So that's just something to think about. If you have less than 2,000 people, you get it for free, and then it's tiered based on how many you have. So your email list, website